Hey there, savvy shoppers. Tired of endless scrolling? Welcome to Pickorama. We find the gems so you don't have to. Get ready to pick smart, pick fast. These are hand-picked Amazon favorites just for you. Let's dive in.
Protecting your home and family is a top priority. We're reviewing a popular Ring Alarm home security system to help homeowners like you make an informed decision. Let's look at the key features and potential drawbacks. Installation is designed to be simple and straightforward. Pre-paired components mean you can likely set it up yourself without needing professional help. The system is easily expandable as your needs change. You can add more sensors or cameras over time to cover additional areas of your property. It integrates well with smart home ecosystems. Compatibility with devices like Amazon Alexa allows for convenient voice control and automation. For added peace of mind, professional monitoring is an option. This provides 24/7 emergency response capabilities if an alarm is triggered. A built-in battery backup ensures the system stays operational. It can continue protecting your home for up to 24 hours during a power outage. Accessing the system's full capabilities often requires a subscription plan. Features like remote control and cellular backup come with additional monthly costs. Without a subscription, some core functions are limited. You might not receive mobile alerts or access certain features within the app. This system offers a flexible, DIY approach to home security with good core features. However, be aware of the ongoing subscription costs and potential app or support issues. Considering home security? Weigh these points carefully for your specific needs. Research the current subscription plans and recent user reviews before deciding if this system is the right fit for your home.